everyone! So tomorrow I'm off to Thailand for 4 weeks and I wanted to show you what I'm packing for my trip. It is a volunteer trip and it's in rural Thailand, it's in Chiang Mai. Let's get into it. So with me I'll be bringing my trusty backpack. It is a high gear one. I bought it about 2 years ago for Download Festival. I love my festivals and I was sick of lugging around trolleys and things like that, and I invested in a backpack and I haven't looked back since. It's got really good support and it's got the sort of waist strap things, loads of compartments, loads of pockets. Yeah, it's a really great backpack, so I'm hoping that it holds up. So for shoes, I'm wearing my walking boots tomorrow while travelling, just because they take up too much space in a bag and they're quite heavy. And then for when I'm there, I'll be living in flip-flops and these sort of, I call them boat shoes because they look like shoes that you wear on a boat. Yeah, I'm going to be taking 2 microfiber towels. I highly recommend taking microfiber towels if you're going travelling, to a festival, anywhere where a normal towel would be too bulky. These pack up really small, they're super light and they don't take long to dry at all. You can just hang them up, they'll be dry within an hour or two. Yeah, they're really great and you can pick them up pretty cheap. As it will be going into raining season, I picked up a waterproof jacket. It's just a light one. This is a trespass one. It also matches my walking boots, which I quite like. And yeah, it's just super light and it folds up into this little bag that I can then put in my day bag, which I'll show you in a minute. Toiletries! So this is probably the bulkiest item that I have. It's definitely the heaviest. And I will show you what is inside. I have a little body poofer thing, some tissues, antibacterial gel. These will be my best friends, mosquito repellents, and they are DEET free. Some sun cream, travel wash, toothpaste. Oh, my toothbrush is actually upstairs, I'll pack that tomorrow. There's some razors, moisturiser, Lush shampoo bar. It smells amazing. So for clothes, I'm going to be taking 1 pair of cropped leggings, some gym leggings, same kind of thing. Typical touristy, I call them hippie pants. But I've just got this pair, this pair, this pair, and I think I'm going to use these ones for sleeping in. Especially with being in Thailand and being in such a rural community. They're quite conservative about what you wear, like as long as you've got your shoulders covered and your knees covered, you're fine. So with things like this, it's brilliant and they don't take up much space at all. And then for t-shirts, I've just gone for really light t-shirts. This is actually a men's t-shirt that I picked up in a sale, just a plain one. I think I'm going to use this as my pyjama top. It is a Paris top from the band Paris. An old Download shirt. Just have this other old t-shirt and this like kind of longish floaty top, but it's just a light long sleeved top in case it gets a little bit chilly in the evenings, or you know, to protect my arms from mosquito bites, all that kind of thing. I have some soap, some bite and sting cream. I have some antiseptic cream. Here, this is my little first aid kit. I have loads of paracetamol, some allergy tablets just in case, ibuprofen, some plasters, some little nail scissors that I can use for anything. 2 of these packets of Compeed, because the last thing I want is to get blisters. And these are apparently really good. My friend who used to be in the RAF, she said that when she was doing her training, these were her best friend. So, and then I've bought, I'm assuming that they already have like washing lines, that kind of thing there. I'm not going to unfold it because knowing me I won't be able to get it back into its little bag, but it is a washing line. It's got these little suction things that you can clip onto it and then clip onto something else, or it has little like hooks. 2 boxes of Diora lights. These are like the Superdrug version. They're all pretty much the same, they all do the same kind of thing. Being in a hot Asian country, there's a good chance that I will get the shits. I'm going to be packing my brushes, my hair things, and just some little bits of makeup. That's pretty much the only things that are missing. Oh, my toothbrush obviously. This is my day bag, and this bag's really good because it has these little pockets at the side, so when I'm on my treks I can just reach, get a drink, I don't have to be faffing around. It has an inside pocket. I'm assuming this is more for laptop, but I have put my tablet in there. I have my passport and all my documents. My travel money, that I have no idea where I'm going to put that yet because it's in Bart and there's a lot of it. I just have a few little things in here, some hand sanitizer, some deodorant. I've got a lot of snacks to put in here too, which I'm excited about. My unicorn mask. I got this from Primark. It's absolutely amazing and it's so comfortable. I'm a very, very anxious flyer and I'm hoping that I can get some sleep tomorrow on the plane. Earphones, some more paracetamol, my medication, loads more tissues. I feel like I've not packed anywhere near enough stuff. Oh yes, and of course my phone's going in, this camera and my other little camera. I have a big checklist upstairs. Knowing me, I'll have filmed this video and then remembered about 10 other things that I need to bring. Totally forgot to include underwear. I'm going to be taking just like a normal standard bra and maybe 2 to 3 sports bras, just because I find sports bras so much comfier than usual ones. Lots of pants, lots of socks. I think that's everything. Sweets, sweets, throat sweets just in case. Sweets. Sweets, sort of healthier sweets. A head torch because I didn't think about this until the last minute, but there will be no street lighting and I don't fancy walking around in the dark in the village, so I have this little headlamp charger thingy. It's a really good charger. It can charge your phone, I think it's up to 3 times fully. Just with having my tablet as well, the last thing I want to do basically is to run out of battery on either a camera or the tablet or my phone. It is quite a heavy one as well, but it's really good, so that's okay. Baby wipes. I'll also be taking a small bag for when I'm exploring, because I am going to Bangkok for a couple of days after the project, and it folds down really tiny. It doesn't take up any space or any weight, which is good. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I'll keep you updated on my travels. By the time I upload this, it'll be like I'll have been back for months. So yeah, I'm really excited, I'm really anxious, I'm going to be vlogging as much as I possibly can. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!